Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss 10th class topic human heart. Like and subscribe my channel Masters Mind Education for more valuable and educational videos. First, I am starting with introduction. Human heart is pumping organ in our body which pump blood and supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from our body. Now we will start with construction. It is roughly the size of our fist. This hand, this is our fist. The size of our heart is just like as our fist. Human heart has four chambers, two on right side and two on left side. Two on right side and two on left side, called atrium, atrium, and ventricle, ventricle. A wall is present between left side and right side. A wall is present between left side and right side, called septum, septum, to prevent mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Valves are present. Valve, VALVES. Valves are present to prevent the backward flow of blood. So this is the construction part of human heart. Working of human heart. Heart work due to rhythmic. Heart work due to rhythmic RHYTHMIC, rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart muscle. Oxygenated blood from lungs enter left side of heart through pulmonary 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 veins. Remember this thing, pulmonary veins, after which blood from the whole body enters right side of heart through vena vena cava cava and deoxygenated blood is sent back to lungs through pulmonary artery. Well, students, this is the whole working for human heart. Now we will make a flow chart for easy learning of blood flow pattern of human heart. Flow chart of heart. First is lungs, heart, oxygenated blood is sent to heart via pulmonary veins in left side of heart. Now blood from heart is sent to body. This blood is oxygenated blood. It is sent through aorta, aorta. Now deoxygenated blood is sent back to heart. Deoxygenated is sent back to heart through vena cava. In right side. Now from heart the blood is transferred to lungs. Deoxygenated blood is transferred to lungs. Deoxygenated blood through pulmonary artery. This is the flow chart for circulation of blood in human heart. Students, I hope you have understand the concept. Thanks for watching my video.